Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you guys this one here is the Acecool Cuddle Cat massage, super mini massager. So we're going to give this thing a shot. I'm going to show you guys what this thing looks like here so you can see. It's very cute. It will be a gift, but I'm going to show y'all anyways. So I have to keep it nice and clean. But here, super mini massager. So that's what it looks like there. And check this. Oh my God, this is the cutest thing ever. Okay, so let's see. So it's got, I guess that's going to be the instructions. And it comes with a little bag to put it in. I'm going to guess this is the massager here. Oh, that's got some weight to it. Everything fell out because of it. And then we have here, what's this? This is probably the charging cable. But let's verify. Indeed it is. So it's USB to USB-C. That's all that was in there. And then we have, okay, so let's show you there's the massager here. So this is what the massage, oh my gosh, look at that. It's a little cat. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, that's adorable. And it's got the power button on the bottom and the charger right there on the bottom too. So look at that. And then we have our different little hands. So it looks like we have a, this one here is like a bullet one. So this one here will just dig into a certain area. Let's see what it looks like here when it turns on. But I don't know if it has a charge in it yet. Oh, it does. So there we go. So that's gonna, it's like that's super poke you in there. Oh man, that's got some power. And you can put up to level 3, which is just super fast. And then we turn it off. Let's say that we have, I'll show you guys all the other ones here. We have a flat one. So like, you know, normally you get that round one with the flat one, but this one here looks like a paw. How cute is that? We have a large flat one here. It's kind of got some paw prints in there, so that one will get in there a little bit. How's that one go there? We have this one here. It's called the round one, so it is a bit rounded. That's good for getting into some of those parts on the back. We have this one here, the U-shaped one, which is like, hey, dude. I think that's the UT Hook'em, right? And then that's it. So those are all the different tips you get, and you get this cute one here, and it charges, and it seems to have enough power. Let me just try it with, I'll try the round one here. The other one's a little too painful for me. So you have your little cat with your one there, and I'll turn it on. And I need somebody here to do this to me on the back, but that feels really good. Yeah, I like it on the low speed. Kind of gives a good massage. But then if I was doing my legs, maybe I'd want it on the high speed. It's out here. Feels good, and it's definitely got the power. Holy mackerel, it does have, it's got a lot of power. It's got as much power as the big ones do. So I'm gonna say this is really awesome. I like it. And thumbs up from me on this. This is the Acecool Cuddle Cat one. And very cool. Thumbs up. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Meow, meow.